This is our latest 5 kW hybrid solar installation in Ngong Kibiko, built for efficiency, reliability, and long-term savings. The system features 9 615-watt high-efficiency solar panels designed to maximize sunlight capture and generate strong, consistent power throughout the day. At the core is a 5 kW hybrid inverter, intelligently managing solar, battery, and grid power with seamless switching. Whether it's daytime production or nighttime use, the home stays powered without interruption. For energy storage, we installed a 10 kWh lithium battery bank, providing dependable backup during outages and ensuring continuous performance when it matters most. We also integrated a 300-liter solar water heater, delivering energy-efficient hot water using the sun, reducing electricity bills even further. This complete solution provides clean electricity and sustainable heating, lowering costs while increasing energy independence year-round. Because solar power is more than an upgrade, it's a commitment to a smarter future. One sun, millions of hope.